King Pigeon Pose or Kapotanasana. The name comes from the Sanskrit words kapota meaning pigeon and asana meaning posture. When one assumes the pose, it looks just as graceful as the bird is. With this asana, you will find more freedom and energy in your spine and your mind. It has a whole lot of benefits and also gives your body a good stretch. It is a must to include this asana in your yoga practice. Start in Vajrasana. Inhale and stand on the knees at hip width distance. Keep the spine upright. Engaging the abdominals and pressing the tailbone towards the floor. Engage the quadriceps and slightly rotate the thighs and hip joints inwards to stabilize the pelvis. This is the starting position. Roll the shoulders to the back and place your hands at your lower back. As you inhale, the spine lean back while the hands supporting onto the lower back. Allow the arms to extend back by pressing the shoulder blades to the back of ribcage and press at the back of the pelvis with a slight force. This will initiate the arching of the upper back deeper. Inhale deeply again and further release the hands and along with the head backwards. While doing this, try and keep the hips in place. Keep the shoulder blades firm and lift the chest as high as possible. Gradually release your head and let it tilt back and bring both your hands onto the floor. Making sure your lower back is long but stable. Make sure there is no pain or strain. Inhale, then go further, sternum first. Breathing and gradually walking the hands and forearms towards the heels. And grab seat. Exhale, lower down the elbows at the side of the feet and the head resting on the soles of the feet. Hugging the legs to midline and keep lifting through the chest, keeping a nice long spine. The arms are hugging in but not squeezing. Keep the neck long. Breathe while holding the pose. Inhale, release to starting position in reversing the order of movements. Kapotasana can also begin from Supta Virasana. The hands are placed next to the shoulder. The arms are similar to Urdhva wheel pose. The hands are already on the floor. It has a greater support to push the spine up towards the ceiling. In this position, the head is lower down first, and the hands gradually walk towards the heels. Upon the hands grabs onto the heels, the elbows are lowered down in line with the head. The head can adjust closer towards the soles of the feet. Breathe while holding the pose. Exhale. Release and lower the back down on the ground. Inhale. Hold the heels with the hands and press up through the elbows. The hands support and lift the spine up. As Kapotasana is a rated back bend, you should ease your back in Balasana, Child Pose for a few breaths.